Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The Best Snap Circuits is probably one of the most engaging and educational electronic kits available for kids and adults alike, offering a fantastic way to learn about electronics through hands-on experimentation without the need for soldering or complicated tools, making it an accessible and fun introduction to the world of circuits and engineering principles. Number 5. Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Electronics Exploration Kit. Introducing the Snap Circuits Junior SC100, an exciting electronics exploration kit designed for young minds. It's a fantastic way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to the world of electrical engineering through hands-on fun. With over 100 projects included, this kit offers endless possibilities for creativity and learning. Kids can build a variety of electronic gadgets and toys, making learning about circuitry engaging and enjoyable. Building is a breeze with its snap-together components. No extra tools or soldering are needed, ensuring a safe and frustration-free experience for children as they learn. This kit is more than just a toy, it's a powerful STEM educational tool. It helps develop practical skills and a foundational understanding of electronics in a fun and interactive way. Recognized with numerous awards, this kit is a proven choice for quality and educational value. It's a gift that provides hours of entertainment and learning all year round. Looking for even more excitement? Combine this kit with other Snap Circuit sets to unlock an even wider array of amazing projects and electronic wonders. What we like. This kit is perfect for younger builders just starting out. If you are looking for a gentle introduction to electronics with plenty of fun projects, this is the one. It's ideal for kids aged 8 and up who want to explore the basics of circuitry. What people say. This is a great introduction to electronics for kids. My son loves this kit and has learned a lot about how circuits work. The projects are easy to follow and the components are well made. Number 4. Snap Circuits Classic SC300 Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover a world of electronic creation with this incredible kit. It's a safe and engaging way to introduce kids aged 8 and up to the fundamentals of electrical engineering. Unleash your creativity and build more than 300 exciting projects. With over 60 pieces, you can construct everything from radios to alarms and even electronic games. Get started right away with no soldering or tools needed. The color-coded pieces easily snap together on the included grid for instant building fun. Give the gift of learning and entertainment that lasts all year. It's a fantastic way to keep young minds engaged and having fun. Join countless happy builders, parents, and educators who love our products. These kits have received numerous prestigious awards for their quality and educational value. Want even more possibilities? Combine this kit with other Snap Circuit sets to unlock an even wider range of amazing projects. What we like. For those who want to dive deeper into electronics, this kit offers a vast array of over 300 projects. If you've already got some experience or want a kit with more challenging builds like AM radios and burglar alarms, this is an excellent choice. It's great for curious minds aged 8 to 108. What people say. This is a fantastic introduction to electronics for kids. It's a great way to teach kids about circuits and how they work. The projects are fun and engaging, and they really help kids understand the concepts. Number 3. Elenco Snap Circuits Extreme. Discover the Elenco Snap Circuits Extreme, your gateway to endless electronic adventures. Build over 750 exciting experiments with just 80 versatile parts. From sound-activated switches to a functioning AM radio and even a lie detector, the possibilities are truly astounding. What amazing creations will you bring to life? Designed for ages 8 and up, our system requires no tools or soldering. The parts simply snap together, ensuring safe and secure connections every time. This award-winning educational toy provides a hands-on approach to STEM learning. It's the perfect way to learn by doing and explore the world of electronics. Take your learning to the next level with the included software and PC interface cable. Visualize waveforms and frequencies just like a professional electronics engineer. What we like. This is the ultimate kit for the aspiring young engineer, offering over 750 experiments. If you're looking for advanced features like a computer interface to view waveforms, this is it. It's designed for children aged 8 and over who are serious about STEM learning and want to explore like a professional. What people say. This is a great toy for kids to learn about electronics. It is easy to use and understand, even for beginners. The projects are fun and engaging, and they teach valuable skills. Number 2. Snap Circuits Light Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover a universe of electronic wonders. With over 175 exciting STEM projects, this kit offers endless possibilities for young innovators. It's a safe and fun introduction to electrical engineering for kids aged 8 and up. Building is a snap. Over 55 colorful parts easily connect on a plastic grid, just like building blocks. No tools or soldering needed, making it perfect for hands-on learning and exploration. Create dazzling light shows with fiber optics. Watch your creations come alive as they sync to your music, or build a spinning strobe light for mesmerizing effects. Looking for the perfect gift? This kit provides hours of engaging fun and learning, keeping young minds active all year round. It's a gift that truly keeps on giving. Join countless happy builders. This kit has earned numerous awards from parents, educators, and toy experts, recognized for its quality, educational value, and sheer fun. Experience the magic of light and sound. Control a colorful light organ with your music player, voice, or even your finger. It's an amazing way to see how electronics can interact with your world. What we like. This kit brings a vibrant dimension to electronics with its focus on light and sound. If you love visual and auditory projects, like creating light shows or connecting to your music, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for kids who enjoy creative expression through technology. What people say. The projects are easy to follow and the components are well made. My son loves building different circuits and learning about electronics. It's a great way to introduce kids to STEM concepts in a fun and engaging way. Number 1. Snap Circuits 203 Electronics Exploration Kit. Introduce your child to electrical engineering with this fun and safe kit. They can build exciting projects and toys using the colorful instruction book, making learning an adventure. Unlock endless possibilities with over 200 projects to build. This classic kit includes over 40 pieces to create everything from burglar alarms to doorbells, and even electronic games. Give a gift that keeps on giving. This kit provides hours of engaging fun and learning, perfect for keeping kids entertained all year. It's also compatible with other kits for even more creativity. Get started right away. Everything you need is included. The easy-to-use, color-coded pieces snap together on the plastic grid, making assembly a breeze. Join countless satisfied families, educators, and kids who love our products. This kit has received numerous awards, recognizing its quality and educational value. What we like. Offering a fantastic balance of project variety and value, this kit is a solid choice for many. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with over 200 projects without breaking the bank, this is it. It's suitable for kids aged 8 and up who want a good range of building possibilities. What people say. The projects are well designed and easy to follow, even for younger children. Snap circuits are a fantastic way to introduce electronics concepts in a fun and engaging way. The variety of projects available keeps kids entertained and learning for hours. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.